quantity y varies partly as x and partly as the square root of x, full stop. When x is 4, y is 14, and when x is 9, y is 27 here. Find y when x is 16. Question number 2. Solution. A quantity y, first of all we are going to write it. Let us now transfer this word problem to mathematical language so that we may understand it better. So quantity y varies partly. This is a partial variation because talking about partly. So quantity y, you can say y varies partly as x. We have this sign of alpha that is normally used to indicate variation as x. Varies partly as x, and means can say plus, because in partial variation we normally use plus. So plus partly as the square root of x. Let's say the square root of x. The square root of x. So in this we are going to get rid of this alpha by inserting another understandable mathematical formula by saying y is equals to k as a constant x plus, because we have used k to be the constant of x, you can as well insert another letter here to represent this and say either m the square root of x. This k is always called the constant of proportionality. That's why you normally use it for Boolean variation. So after this, we are going to substitute the values of x so that we may get the clear root to solve this problem. So we have been told that quantity y varies partly as x and partly as the square root of x is full stop. When x is 4, y is 14. So we substitute them. Y has been given to be 14 is equals to k4, which is x, plus m, the square root of x, which is 4. Let's do away with this first. So this is going to be 14 is equals to k4 plus m, the square root of 4 is 2. So it's going to be m2. For us to get it clear, we are going to divide both sides by 2. That's all by 2, also by 2. There, we're going to get 7. We're going to get 7 is equals to k2 plus m. This is going to be our first equation. We have 7 is equals to k2 plus m, our first equation. Then we come back again and check. And when x is 9, y is 27. When x is 9, y is 27. Let's come again and substitute it here. Y is 27 is equals to kx, which is 9, plus m, the square root of 9, because the value of x is 9. So this is going to be 27 is equals to k9 plus m, the square root of 9 there is 3. Let's do the same. The way we eliminated this, let's do the same on this side. Over 3, over 3, over 3. And this is going to be, there 3, there is 9. So we have 9 is equals to k3 plus m. That is going to be our second equation. So these two equations can be solved simultaneously. How? We can say the first one was k2 plus m is equals to 7. The second one is k3 plus m is equals to 9. Let's use this. Multiply by 1 by 1. This is elimination method. We are going to have k2 minus k3 is going to be negative k. This and this will cancel. We remain with is equals to negative 2. So we divide both sides by negative 1 by negative 1 because we have coefficient of k which is 1 there. So here we are going to remain with k is equals to 2 because negative will cancel negative, have negative there. The value of k is 2. Let's go ahead and check the value of m. The value of m, which is, we are going to take k and substitute it to every part. So we are going to say, because the value of k is 2, you can say 2 into 2 plus m is equals to 7. You can pick any of the equation here. So this times this is going to be 4 plus m is equals to 7. If this 4 crosses equal sign on the other side, it becomes minus. So we're going to minus that 4. So we are remaining with m is going to be 3. So after getting the value of m to be 3 and the k to be 2, we can now handle it very clear. Find the value of y when x is 16. The value of y when x is 16. What are we going to do? Before we move, we can continue and form an equation that is connecting these variables. How can we form? Because without forming that an equation, it is not going to be easy for us to get the value of y. Our equation is here with us. We have y is equals to kx, and the value of k is 2. So 2x plus the value of m is 3 plus 3 the square root of x. That is what we need to do. This is the equation connecting the variables. So from there, our next step is to find the value of y when x is 16. You just come and say, you substitute them. Y is equals to 2 into x that has been given to be 16 into 16 into 16 plus 3 into the square root of 16. The square root of 16. That is, y is equals to 2 times 16 is 32. 32 plus 3 times the square root of 16, which is 4. So this is going to give us 32 plus 12, which is equivalent to 44. So the value of y is going to be 44, and that is the right answer. We are going to check on question 3, the last part of it.